There's a bird inside my car. Yo, look. Look. Why are that fucking animals? Oh, shit. There we go. Oh, shit. There we go. Oh, shit, dickhead. I ain't got no sunroof. I'm with my joint Eddie. Watch it. Woo!
You dare me to sit in the car with it?
I dare to sit in the car with it. You are not going to do that shit. Dickhead. Did he get out?
No, he go to pass back there.
Oh, shit! I wasn't scared. I really wasn't. Then first a deer, then a fucking